my Lord and Savior. They tell you he's never coming, but my King rose up 3 days later. This rocky mountain that I climbed is a spectrum by eternal life. This life is filled with troubles, this life is filled with pain, and it will all come down on you like rain. But when the rain stops, I'll be with my Father. When the rain stops, I won't know any troubles, I won't know any tears. When the rain stops, I'll be flying high. When the rain stops, God will mend every wound and make me new. Oh, people cry out, when will this end? But Jesus smiles and says, soon, my child. Oh, Jesus wept, sweated blood, so he knows my fears. I know I'm not alone, 'cause God remembers every tear. Oh, sometimes I feel stretched out thin. Oh, I'm hanging on a thread. But when the rain stops, I'll be with my Father. Oh, when the rain stops, I won't know any troubles, I won't know any tears. When the rain stops, I'll be flying high. Oh, when the rain stops, God will mend every wound and make me new. I repeat his words in my head like a mantra. I will never leave you nor forsake you. My grace is sufficient for you. I will never leave you nor forsake you. My grace is sufficient for you. I will never leave you nor forsake you.